Welcome back, scholars. Hey, let's go ahead and start with rubies here. I'm going to get to the flex cam so that we can go ahead and do this. Let's read. Sandra is making cookies that requires 5.5 cups of oatmeal. And she has only 2 measuring cups, a 1.5 cup and a 3/4 cup. What is the smallest number of scoops that she can make in order to get 5.5 cups? Well, I've read that, so I can scratch that out. And I'm going to be underlining or circling important information. She has a 1.5 cup and a 3/4 cup. And then, so I underline that, but now I'm going to barf up. This is the total that I need, 5.5 cups, right? 1.5 cups, and the right fraction is 1/2. 3/4 is 3/4. So I'm barfing up. What I need to find out, what is the smallest number of scoops that she could make in order to get 5.5 cups? Well, I know that 5.5 cups, wow. You know what? I'm visual. So I'm going to do it the way I know how to do it, by using a visual track right here. So I'm going to start right here with 0. I'm going to add 3/4, and the reason I'm doing 3/4 cups, this is scoops. The reason I'm doing that, 3/4 cups, because that's the biggest, and I'm going to try to use the biggest so I can use most of the oatmeal. So that gives me 3/4 of a cup. So let me add another cup. That gives me, so 1 scoop. Oops, no, 1 scoop is right here. 2 scoops. It gives me 1.5. Then I'm going to add another 3/4. So that's going to give me 3/4 is 2.25. So that's 3 scoops. Another one gives me, let's see, 3/4, 3. That's 4 scoops. Then I do another one here. 3/4, that gives me 3 3/4 cups so far. Let's put this as cups. This as scoops. So that gives me 5 scoops so far. Another 3/4. 3/4 is 1/2, 4.5. Hey, wait a minute. Now we have the half cups. 3/4 is going to be more than what we need, but I do have half cups up here, don't I? So I can add 1/2 plus 1/2 will give me 1 whole cup, right? So let's add a half cup. That gives me 5, that's 7, and this is 1/2. This is 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 1/2. Gives me 5.5. So that's 8 scoops. So we need 8 scoops if we break it out this way. 3/4 and then 1/2 and 1/2. Hopefully you came up to that. Let's see what I did here in the, let's visualize this. Yep, I went through it. It's 2 scoops, another third. Yep, all right. Then we get to the 4/2 and we go to the 1/2 cups. And we came out with the same thing. All right, that brings us to our classwork. You're going to have 10 minutes to get that completed. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.